Welcome to this video on addition. Today we're going to learn how to add two-digit numbers step by step. We'll explore place value, use colorful counters, and try some fun practice challenges along the way. Before we start adding larger numbers, let's master place value. To do this, we'll meet our two friendly helper columns, the tens column and the ones column. The ones column is on the far right and holds single counting units from 0 to 9. The tens column is on the left, where every one 10 is made of 10 ones grouped together. Let's practice adding a single digit to a two-digit number. For example, to solve 2, 3 plus 4, we align the digits by their place value. Adding 3 and 4 gives us 7 in the ones place, and we keep the 2 in the tens place. The answer is 27. Here are 3 easy steps to add any numbers. First, line up your numbers with ones under ones and tens under tens. Second, always add the ones column first. Third, move to the left and add the tens column next. Now let's level up and add two double-digit numbers together. We'll use the same steps to solve 42 plus 35. To solve 42 plus 35, first add the ones. 2 plus 5 is 7. Next, add the tens. 4 plus 3 is 7. Combining these, 7 tens and 7 ones, gives us a total of 77. What if the sum of the ones column is 10 or more? We can't put two digits in one column, so we perform regrouping. We keep the ones digit at the bottom and carry the 110 over to the tens column. Let's see regrouping in action with 47 plus 36. Add the ones, 7 plus 6 to get 13. Split 13 into 110 and 3 ones. Write 3 in the ones column and carry the 110 over. Then, add all the tens together to get 83. Let's practice together. Look at these problems and see how we work through the 1 step, the 10 step, and find the total sum for each. Your math confidence is growing. Whether it's single digits or regrouping, with daily practice, adding numbers becomes as easy as counting 1, 2, 3. Now it's your turn for an activity challenge. Try solving these 4 problems, ranging from basic addition to story challenges, using the steps we've learned. Here are the solutions for your practice problems. Check your work against these results to see how you did. You are a math superhero. Keep practicing your tens and ones, and you'll be able to master any addition problem. Great job completing the activity today.